bringing the mural down a ways on the side walls and making it look like it's coming down and going around mountains. Also, what about taking it all the way to the floor? All right, yes, you can do a mountainscape, is what I call it. Um, do your ceiling first, and then what I would suggest is going to Lowe's or Home Depot, and there's a 3-foot piece of roll of brown craft paper you can get. I would kind of maybe put that up on your wall and draw the mountainscape that you want on there, and then cut it and take the top part off. And then when you put your stencil up, I would take it up close to the ceiling unless you want to bring it down a lot. You just have to figure out, okay, the first line of stars are going to go here, and then your mountainscape's down here, and then your next one you're gonna have to put on top of it. So you should be able to see where the brown craft paper is underneath the stencil that you have. So just paint all the holes that don't have the craft paper showing through. And if you do paint one of those with the craft paper showing through, it's not going to paint the wall, so you'll be fine. You can also put that cutout on top of the sheet, so then you just paint all the open holes that you can see. So you can do that, and it looks nice. It's really nice to have a mountainscape. But it also looks nice just to have a straight line. It looks like kind of like the ceiling is open, like your ceiling is a larger open sky in your room, and it's just the illusion. You won't see where the wall is, where the ceiling and the walls meet. It'll all just kind of look like a big open sky. Now, about bringing the stars all the way to the floor, yeah, but be careful, because you lose your equilibrium in a room that has all the walls and the ceiling done, because you have no reference to anything. It's just kind of like you're floating, and it gets kind of freaky. So it's possible, but just be careful. And I've done it twice, and it's very cool, but I don't know if I would like it like that for a long time.